Hello student, I am Rekha Bhavsar from Adya Krantivir Vasudev Balwant Phadke Vidyalaya, New Panvel. Today we are going to start Standard 9th Maths 1, Chapter number 1, Sets. Let's study Set Introduction, Types of Set, Venn Diagrams, Equal Set, Subset, Universal Set, Intersection and Union of Sets, and Number of Elements in a Set. Some pictures are given below. It contains the group of things. In the first one picture, flower bouquet. Second one, bunch of kids. Flock of birds. Piles of notebooks. Collection of numbers. We use special word for each of the collection. In all these examples, we can clearly list the object of that collection. We call the collection of such an object as set. We call the collection of such an object as set. Now, observe the collection. Happy children in the village. Brilliant student in the class. Brilliant students in the class. In both the examples, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms because the exact meaning of this word, to be happy and to be brilliant, differ from person to person, and therefore this collection are not same. See the examples given below. Days of week, months in year, brave children in the class, first 10 counting numbers, strong force of Maharashtra, planets in our solar system. These are the some examples of sets and not a set. Okay. Now see definition of set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. I repeat again, if we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a collection, then that collection is called a set. Generally, the name of the subset is given using capital letters A, B, C, D up to Z. The members or elements of the sets are shown by using small letters A, B and C. If A is an element of a set, if A is an element of a set A, then we write it is as A belongs to. This one symbol read as a belongs to. And if A is not an element of a set, then we write as A does not belongs to. This is the symbol of does not belongs to. Now let us observe the set of numbers. You know that n, which is a natural number, n is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, dash and so on is a set of natural numbers. W, in curly bracket, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is a set of whole numbers. I is a set of integers. Q is a set of rational number and R is a set of real number. Methods of writing of sets. There are two methods of writing of sets. First one is listing method or roster method. First method is listing method or roster method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in a curly bracket. We write all the elements of a set in a curly bracket. Next point, each of elements is written only once and separated by commas. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. And third one point is important. The order of an element is not important. Order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. For example, the set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. The set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 can be written as using the listing method or roster method. So when you write the set, we use capital English letter. Suppose that A is equal to, in curly bracket, which numbers are odd numbers between 1 and 10? 3, 5, 7, 9, curly bracket complete. Or A is equal to, in your listing method, order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements. So you can write this way also. A is equal to 7, 3, 5, 9. 7, 3, 5, 9, curly bracket complete. Understood? Now second method, rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of the elements. We do not write the list of the elements, but write the general element using variable and followed by vertical line or colon and write the property of that variables. See here one example. B is equal to curly bracket x vertical line which is called as a colon, या such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. X is a prime number between 1 and 10. Set B contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. This is the meaning of our example. Then we write set B, capital letter B, equal to, which are the prime numbers between the 1 and 10? 2, curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, curly bracket complete. Understood, student? There are two methods of writing a set. First is a listing method or roster method, and second one is a rule method or set builder form. See practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form is which method? Listing method. Correct. First one example. Set of even natural numbers. Set of even natural numbers. So denote the n as a capital letter N is a set is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on, because there is no limitation for writing the even natural numbers. Okay, then this is the set of even natural numbers. Second one example. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Which is a even prime number? 2. Very good. P is equal to curly bracket 2, curly bracket complete. This is the answer. Question example number 3. Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. Integers denoted by capital letter I. So I is equal to curly bracket infinity, then -3, -2, -1, curly bracket complete. See question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Write the following symbolic statements in words. Some examples given in a symbolic form, you write down in a statements, in a words. 4/3, first one, 4/3 belongs to Q. Which is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? 4/3 is an element of set Q. Okay. Second one, -2 does not belongs to N. You know that natural number starting from which one? 1. Natural number does not contain -2. So -2 is not an element of the set N. Okay. Now third example. P is equal to curly bracket P such that P is an odd numbers, curly bracket complete. What is the statement? Set P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. See next question, question number 4. Write the following set using listing method. First one, all months in the Indian solar year. All months in the Indian solar year. Then capital A is equal to curly bracket. You write down all Marathi months, which is an Indian solar India months in a Indian solar year. Chaitra, comma Vaishakha, Jeshta, Ashadha, comma Shravana, comma Bhadrapada, comma Ashwina, comma Kartika, comma Margashisha, comma Pausha, comma Magha and comma Falguna, curly bracket complete. You write down all the 12 months in the Indian solar year. Second example. Letters in the word complement. Then we use any letter for set. Capital B letter, B is equal to curly bracket. You separated these letters by comma and write down only once each letter. C, comma O, comma M, comma P, comma L, comma E, comma N, comma T, curly bracket complete. Understood this one? Letter in the word complement. Don't write the repeated letters. Repeated letters in this which one? E. So don't write this again. Example number 3. Set of human sensory organs. Capital letter C is equal to curly bracket. You know the human sensory organs. So write down the curly bracket. In curly bracket, nose, comma ears, comma eyes, comma tongue, comma skin, curly bracket complete. Fourth one example. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. D is equal to curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, curly bracket complete. These are the numbers. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Thank you, student.